Guys, welcome to Eastern channel. Today I want to share with you a glimpse of a trip on a houseboat. So the eats and all the delicious food we enjoyed on a houseboat in Kerala. Now Kerala is in southernmost part of India and it's known for its houseboat tourism. You stay on a houseboat, it's very traditional, very authentic, and all the meals are prepared for you on the boat. It has a small tiny little kitchen and our chef is making some food here. I had a veggie meal, husband had some fish, so everything was sourced locally. This is cabbage porreal, so cabbage and coconut mixed together with some carrots. Oh, so good. A little spicy for my taste, but amazing flavors. He's cooking rice on a big pot. So one thing I didn't like was that the portions were a lot more than 4 people could eat, and everything is being prepared fresh. You could pick and choose your veggies from small villages in Kerala. So the portions were huge, and then whatever was left, I saw the chef threw them all out from this window right there in the lake, which was a little disheartening, but overall the experience on the houseboat was absolutely amazing. Some fresh fish was caught and it was fried. Husband enjoyed it, but he said that it had some bones. There are a few different kinds of fish that are available locally that's really fresh and you can enjoy it with the squeeze of lemon. Papadam were great. Some salad. He's making some masala here. You can see the amount of chilies in there, so you can imagine it was a little bit spicy. Okra, oh, so tasty. It's fresh okra, cooked southern Indian style, and he also made some chicken for the family. I'll put a recipe of how he cooked chicken in another video, so if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe because I bring to you lots of food videos. Some recipes, some reviews, all fun stuff. Fresh local chicken, he's just chopping it on his board, and then he's gonna prepare chicken curry for the family. Look at his knife skills. What do you think? A local guy. He didn't speak much English, so we couldn't have much conversation. He didn't even speak Hindi or Punjabi, the languages that I know. But he definitely knew how to cook. If he could just tone down the amount of spice, I think he does have a career as a chef. He's adding some black pepper powder, masala, giving it a quick mix. The fresh things always taste so good. Everything's so authentic. In the breakfast, we had some idlis with some sambar. That's a coconut chutney. And look at this view. So breakfast with this view. Oh, so good. It was definitely hot, but we enjoyed every moment of it. So many fresh idlis. Kids like them. They were plain. During our trip, we also made stops at several little villages. We could pick our own fruits and veggies if we wanted. Some of the things were included in our houseboat trip, like our meals and stuff. Some of the snacks and stuff we bought ourselves. So this is a local store with some snacks, southern India snacks, South Indian snacks. He also made some beans for us, which I quite liked because they were fresh beans. Husband definitely enjoyed fish. Kerala is known for its seafood delicacies. Papadam as an accompaniment to the meal is often enjoyed. Lots of emphasis on eating rice. We actually stopped at a rice field during our houseboat tour. So all in all, we had a lot of fun. I hope you like this video, guys. If you ever get a chance, do check out houseboat tours in Kerala. Kerala is known for its houseboat tourism. So cabbage, beans, fresh local vegetables. And it was a good experience for the kids too. So we had stopped, we docked, and then we had our lunch. And for snacks, he actually made some Indian tea, chai tea with some pakoras. Oh, those pakoras were delicious. nice and crispy. It was memorable to watch sunset and enjoy some tea and pakoras and some curry. This is sambar. Sambar and rice go really well together. It was a nice family trip we had in southern India in Kerala. Hope you like this recipe video, guys. Give it a try. These recipes you can find on our channel, and stay tuned.